Every day, the millions of people in India, they use Fevicol, they use Fevistick, but they don't know who is the manufacturer of these top brands. Friends, do you know who is the parent company of these top brands? You guessed it right. It's none other than Pidilite Industry. If you have invested 1 lakh rupees in 10 years back, now it's a worth of more than 10 lakh rupees. Almost all 10 times return in 10 years. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon because you'll be getting lot more update with regards to investment. Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the fundamental analysis of Pidilite industry. As usual, so I'll discuss about the business model of Pidilite industry, leadership, competitive strength, financials, valuation, future growth. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Friends, please do make sure that this video is only for long-term investors. This is only for education purpose. If you are a trader, then you can skip this video. Let's get started. Pidilite Industry, which is established in 1959, now Pidilite Industry is the number one adhesive company in India. The brands are Fevicol, Fevistick, M-Seal, Dr. Fix-It, so popular. People don't ask, give me a adhesive. They say that, give me a Fevicol. Just imagine the power of branding. These products are strong market dominant. Branding is so strong, when you need a adhesive, you don't even think other brands. You think only about a Fevicol. It is only possible with a strong branding. Success of any company, it depends on the leadership and its management. If you look at the leadership of Pidilite industry, it's so strong. Madhukar Parekh is the chairman. He has started his career in 1972 with the Pidilite industry. He has completed his master in chemical engineering. Mr. Parekh is a gold medalist in chemical technology. He has got 4 decades of work experience in the industry and he has converted an exciting product into country's top brands. Fevicol, Fevikwik, Dr. Fix-It, M-Seal are the market leader with a high share in the respective segment. He is the man behind the success story of Pidilite industry. He has successfully transformed the company to become a market leader in adhesive segment. He has also taken a company legacy to overseas, making Pidilite industry as a multinational company. Under his guidance, Pidilite industry has acquired several companies to enter an international market and enhance its product portfolio and market presence. Mr. Parekh has a strong vision to take Pidilite industry to next level and build an organization not just for today, for a centuries. On a leadership, I will rate 10 on 10. The Pidilite industry has got two business model. The first one is consumer bazaar. The consumer bazaar product of the company include adhesives, sealants, art materials, construction chemical and paint chemical. These products are used by carpenters, painters, plumbers, mechanics, households, schools, office, etc. In industrial specialty chemical, so industrial specialty chemicals include industrial adhesives, synthetic resin, organic pigment, pigment preparation, etc. These products are consumed by the various industries such as packaging, textile, paint, printing, ink, paper, leather, etc. If you look at the revenue breakups of Pidilite industry, 79.60% from consumer bazaar product, 19.70% from business to business product. So under consumer product, 53% from adhesive and sealant segment, 20% from construction and paint chemical, 5.90% from art and craft material. So under business to business product, 6.50% from industrial adhesive, 7.2% from industrial resin and construction chemical, 6% from pigment and preparation. If you look at the top brands of Pidilite industry, Fevicol, Dr. Fix-It, Fevikwik, M-Seal, Rope, Fevicryl, Rangila, Steel Grip, Metomax, Terminator, Woodfin, Ecafidilite, Tenox, the list will go on. The Fevicol, which is one of the household brand in India, which is born in 1963. Under the Fevicol, we have a lot of categories. Fevicol HS, Fevicol Marine, Fevicol Hyper. So Dr. Fixit, which is specialist in waterproofing. Under Dr. Fixit, we have a lot of categories. So we have Fevicol MR. So we have Fevikwik Gel, Fevikwik, M-Seal Regular, M-Seal Sanitary, M-Seal Super. So Pidilite product portfolio is very wide. It's not only about Fevicol. Friends, if you look at the competitive strength of Pidilite industry, the first one is brand value. Fevicol, Fevikwik, Dr. Fixit, M-Seal, they are strong in the market, so we don't think about other product. In FMCG category, we have got many competitors. HUL, we have Marico, we have Britannia, Nestle, and many more. But with regards to adhesive segment, there is no other competitors, there is no other brand. The second strength is strong relationship with the local worker. Pidilite industry has got a strong relationship with carpenter, painters, plumbers, and mechanics. The third strength is research and development and innovation. Pidilite industry always spend good amount of money in R&D and innovation. That's the reason Pidilite industry has a ahead from the competitors. The next strength is international exposure. Pidilite industry now not only in India, it has global presence. So Pidilite industry is it's there in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, UAE, Egypt, Kenya, Thailand, Brazil, Singapore, and United States. Friends, if you look at the shareholding pattern of Pidilite industry, the promoters they got 69.93 percentage, which is very good. When promoters has a highest shareholding, it will bring more confidence. Foreign portfolio investors they are having a shareholding of 11.34 percentage, which is very good. Domestic institutional investors they are having a shareholding of 7.73 percentage, which is very good. Friends, if you look at the revenues have been increasing consistently year on year. In 2018, 6,078 crores. In 2019, 7,077 crores. In 2020, 7,294 crores. In 2021, 7,292 crores. In 2022, 9,920 crores. Friends, if you look at the net profits have been increasing consistently. Friends, if you look at the debt to equity, currently company has a debt of 0.04 percentage, which is very low, which is good for long-term investors. Friends, if you look at the cash reserves have been increasing consistently year on year. In 2018, so 3,523 crores. In 2019, 4,097 crores. In 2020, 4,405 crores. In 2021, 5,542 crores. In 2022, 6,353 crores, which is very good. Friends, if you look at the future, the first growth driver is the demand from the packaging industry. India is now number one food producer in the world. Along with that, India is one of the largest market for packaged food and beverages. The growth in the packaging industry, there will be a more demand for adhesives. It will automatically benefit the Pidilite industry. The next growth driver is urbanization. Nowadays, more and more people they are moving towards cities. There is a huge demand for real estate, new house. The growth in the real estate, there is more demand for furnitures and waterproofing solution. The next growth driver is increase in the usage of adhesive in new segment. Nowadays, so in automobile industry, from nut and bolt to automobile industry now moving towards adhesive. So the such development has created a huge opportunity for Pidilite industry. Friends, if you look at the valuation, currently stock is at trading a P of 106, which is slightly expensive. So what you can do is, if you want to invest in this stock, you can invest via SIP in a systematic manner, or else you can wait for a correction, then you can invest in a stocks. Friends, in this video, we discussed about fundamental analysis of Pidilite industry. Friends, Pidilite industry is a leader in adhesive segment, which is one of the biggest wealth creator in Indian stock market history. Friends, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you.